Ever looked at your wallet and wondered why you're carrying around a stack of cards when your phone can do everything else? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of digital wallets and specifically where you can use GrabPay. Let's break down the places you can swipe, tap, or click your way to a smoother transaction. First off, let's talk about the basics. GrabPay is more than just an app, it's your digital sidekick for everyday life. You can load it up with cash, link your bank account, or even use your credit card. But where does the magic happen? Food, glorious food. Craving something delicious? GrabPay has got you covered. From humble hawker stalls to fancy restaurants, you can satisfy your hunger without reaching for your wallet. Imagine this, you've just finished a long day, and all you want is a piping hot bowl of noodles. No need to count change or worry about losing cash. Just whip out your phone, tap, and enjoy your meal. And let's not forget those late-night cravings. Most delivery apps accept GrabPay, so you can indulge without guilt. Shop till you drop. Retail therapy, anyone? GrabPay is your shopping companion. From trendy boutiques to massive department stores, you can pay with a simple tap. No more long queues at the cashier. Plus, many online stores accept GrabPay, so you can shop from the comfort of your home. And let's not forget the convenience of in-app purchases. Whether you're buying a new game, a digital book, or a subscription service, GrabPay makes it a breeze. Transport yourself. Commuting can be a hassle, but GrabPay can help smooth things out. Of course, you can use it for your Grab rides, but it doesn't stop there. Many public transportation systems are starting to accept digital payments, including GrabPay. So, whether you're taking the bus, train, or ferry, you can leave your physical wallet at home. Bills, bills, bills. Adulting can be expensive, but managing your finances doesn't have to be a headache. With GrabPay, you can pay your bills with a few taps. From utilities to mobile phone bills, everything can be managed in one place. No more late fees or lost bills. Beyond the basics. GrabPay isn't just about convenience, it's also about rewards. Many merchants offer discounts and promotions when you pay with GrabPay. Plus, you can earn points and cash back on your spending, which can add up to some serious savings. And let's not forget about the security aspect. Your financial information is protected, giving you peace of mind. So, where can you use GrabPay? Practically everywhere. It's your passport to a cashless and convenient lifestyle. From grabbing a bite to shopping, commuting, and paying bills, GrabPay has you covered. But remember, while GrabPay is incredibly versatile, it's essential to use it responsibly. Set a budget, keep track of your spending, and avoid overspending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy tapping.